What if I told you there is a way to make money on YouTube as an affiliate marketer without ever showing your face? Better yet, what if I told you I am making over $5,000 per month in just 3 niches and also creating faceless videos to promote the products and services I promote in those niches? In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to reveal 10 proven evergreen affiliate niches that are absolutely crushing it 2025, I mean right now, in the affiliate marketing world using faceless video strategy. Number 8, 9, and 10 is a niche that is yet untapped. So I will advise you to stick with me because I will share with you vital information on how you can get started into these niches to start making money and so you can be ahead of others. These aren't just random ideas, these are battle-tested niches with real buyer intent and massive affiliate marketing potentials. And here is the best part. You don't need to show your face in these videos. You don't need expensive gears or equipment. You don't even need a huge following to get started with. All you need is just the right strategy I'm about to share with you. But before I dive deep, let me prove this works. See this channel, Zero Face Revealed, started just about 8 months ago. And now this very channel is pulling in consistent 4-figure monthly. And today I'm handling you this exact blueprint to do the same. In this channel, all I do is teach affiliate marketing with faceless videos. So if this is what interests you and you intend to become an affiliate marketer, this is the channel that is right for you. I teach you how you can start affiliate marketing using faceless videos. So if this is what you think piques your interest or you're interested in, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell. So each time I drop a video, you can be notified. So right now, let's get started. Let's dive into these gold mine niches, starting with number 1, gardening. First, gardening is broad. So you will have to narrow it down by choosing a sub-niche. But while selecting a sub-niche, bear in mind that your target audience is home gardeners. To get a list of sub-niches in gardening, use AI tool like ChatGPT or a free tool like Croc owned by Twitter, now X. It's going to create a long list of gardening sub-niches for you. Pick anyone that interests you. So how can you make money in the gardening niche? The strategy here is simply creating faceless videos for whatever sub-niche you have chosen. There are hundreds of affiliate programs promoting gardening. Register with anyone. You would use these faceless videos to promote your affiliate product or services. You can simply just choose to show your audience how to use certain gardening tools. Your channel can also be a auto kind of channel where you teach your audience how to do some gardening stuffs and processes. You can monetize your gardening faceless channel by promoting gardening tools, seed and plant supplies, indoor gardening systems, gardening accessories and decors, educational gardening resources like online courses. Here's an example of a channel doing great in the gardening space niche. So next on my list is the weight loss niche. First off, why create a faceless channel for weight loss? Well, it's just a trend. It's a lifestyle change many seek. With over 40% of adults in the US and all of the European continent looking to shed off some pound of flesh, this niche has a massive audience, but how do you make money from it? The fact remains that the weight loss niche is valued at billions annually. People are always looking for new solutions, tips, and motivations. So how can you make money in the weight loss niche? The first thing you need to do is to register with health affiliate programs. There are a lot of them on the internet. The second thing you need to do is to start a faceless channel as an affiliate marketer. Start making educational videos while promoting and following weight loss programs and products. For example, like custom meal planners that people can patronize, workout tracking spreadsheets, recipe ebooks focusing on healthy, sustainable eating, progress tracking, and fitness apps. The number 3 on my list is training for marathon. Creating a faceless channel in this niche allows you to focus on the information and training advice you would be sharing with them. This can be especially beneficial in niche like marathon training, where viewers are primarily interested in practical tips and strategies. But bear in mind that your target audiences are aspiring runners and fitness enthusiasts. So how can you make money in the marathon training niche? There's a huge opportunity here as an affiliate marketer to make lots of money in this niche. Let's break down the multiple revenue systems you can build in the marathon training niche as an affiliate marketer using a faceless video. You can choose to promote the following as an affiliate marketer: running shoes through Amazon Associates, specialty running gears websites, running watches and GPS devices, nutrition supplements and energy gels, recovery tools and equipment, running apps and tracking softwares. It is expected to create detailed comparison videos and honest reviews to boost affiliate sales. Here is an example of a channel doing well in the marathon training niche. Number 4 on my list is golfing. Golfing, with its dedicated fan base and an ever-growing market, presents a golden opportunity for affiliate marketers to tap into a niche ripe for monetization. The Faceless video strategy here involves you creating golf-related content without showing your identity, yet you're also building a profitable online presence. So now, how can you make money in the golfing niche? Choosing the right niche within golfing is very important. Start by narrowing down your focus on a sub-niche within golfing. The next step is to create a Faceless channel on YouTube and start creating video content on any of the following suggested sub-niches I will be sharing with you. You can choose to also note that selecting a specific area can help you target an audience with precise interest, making your affiliate link more relevant to your viewers. If you choose to go into swinging analysis tutorials, I highly recommend the use of animation. It will help your viewers better understand. Need help with creating animations? There's a link in my description to help you get started. Also, here's an example of a channel doing well in the golfing niche. Number 5 on my list is the home security niche. Home security is an increasingly vital concern, making it a lucrative niche for affiliate marketers. By leveraging a Faceless video strategy, you can educate, advise, and promote products without actually revealing your identity. So how can you make money in the home security niche? To make this niche work for you, you will have to take your time to choose a good sub-niche. Home security encompasses a wide range of products and services, from DIY security systems to smart locks and surveillance cameras to professional monitoring services. Focus on one or few areas where you can provide deep insights or where there is less competition. Here's a list of sub-niches I have listed for you that you can choose to get started with. Now, after carefully selecting a sub-niche, go create a YouTube channel and start creating content around your niche. You can decide to create faceless content like product reviews and comparisons, how-to videos, or security tips and best practices. Monetizing home security through faceless videos in affiliate marketing is about providing value, education, and trust. By focusing on what homeowners need to know to protect their homes and by linking that knowledge to quality product through affiliate marketing, you can build a sustainable income stream. Here's an example of a channel doing well in the home security niche. Number 6 on my list is the travel niche. Travel is one of the most engaging and evergreen niches for affiliate marketing, and using Faceless video strategy can be a game changer for those who wish to capitalize on this sector while maintaining their anonymity. Here's how to turn travel content into a source of income without ever showing your face. First, you will have to niche down. Start by defining a specific travel niche, whether it's budget travel, luxury escapes, adventure travel, or ecotourism. Specializing allows you to target an audience with specific interest. The focus makes your affiliate promotions more relevant and increases conversion rates. Here's a list of sub-niches I have listed out for you to choose from. After carefully selecting a sub-niche, now go ahead and create a Faceless YouTube channel and start posting content related to your selected niche. Create content on how to travel smarter, cheaper, or more safely. Partner with travel-related affiliate networks like Travel Payouts, Booking.com, or Viator. They offer commissions on bookings done through your affiliate link. Here's an example of a channel doing well in the travel niche. Then the number 7 on my list is the computer security niche. Computer security represents one of the most lucrative niches for affiliate marketing through Faceless YouTube content. With the rising concerns about cybersecurity and constant need for protection too. This niche offers multiple revenue streams while providing genuine value to your viewers. Here's how you can turn your expertise in cybersecurity into a relevant stream while maintaining your anonymity. As always, you'll have to niche down. Here is a list of sub-niches to choose from. Now that you have selected your sub-niche, the next thing you need to do is to create a Faceless YouTube channel. Start posting high-converting content like product reviews and comparison videos, tutorial-based content kind of videos, news and updates in the computer security industry. These videos create urgency and relevance for security products while building authority. As an affiliate in this niche, you can promote the following products. Here is an example of a channel doing well in the computer security niche. Now, number 8 is couponing. The couponing niche presents a unique opportunity in the affiliate marketing space, particularly through faceless videos. With rising inflation and growing interest in money saving strategy, this niche has seen substantial growth in the recent years. Here's how to turn your knowledge of deals, discounts, and savings into a potential venture. Begin by defining your couponing focus. Are you targeting grocery savings, electronic discounts, fashion deals, or perhaps a combination? Specializing ensures that your content resonates with a specific audience, making your affiliate link more targeted and effective. Once you have decided the type of niche that is best for you, start creating amazing content within these niches. The most successful faceless couponing videos typically include deal alerts from major retailers like Walmart, Target, and Amazon. You can also make videos about digital coupon app tutorial and you walk through your audience on how they work. You can also make another video on glitch deals and price mistakes. You can create content on cashback app. You can also do weekly hot deals roundups. So these are a lot of topics you can create videos on. To create faceless videos in this niche, use screen recordings or showcase items on a table, narrating the savings and where viewers can find these deals. Your affiliate links could lead your viewers to the product or the coupon site you mentioned in your video. You can also choose to create tutorial videos that teach viewers how to effectively coupon, from stacking coupons to understanding store policies. Use animations or text overlay to explain these concepts, promoting the tools or website you use through affiliate links. Here's an example of a channel doing well in the couponing niche. Now, the number 9 on my list is the buying, selling home niche. The real estate niche, particularly buying and selling homes, presents a gold mine of opportunity for faceless YouTube content creators. With the right strategy, you can build a profitable channel without ever showing your face, leveraging affiliate marketing to generate substantial passive income for yourself. Here's how to make this strategy work for you. Begin by defining your niche within the vast real estate sector. You might focus on helping first-hand buyers, luxury home investors, real estate investment strategy, or even the nitty-gritty of home selling tips. These are the kind of videos and tips you can provide in your content. Each area allows for tailored content and targeted affiliate promotions. After selecting a sub-niche, now start to create content like home tours and property walkthrough videos. You can also create detailed video tours of home for sale and recently sold property using high quality video footage but no personal appearance. You can also choose to make videos about potential renovations or investment returns. While doing this, embed your affiliate link to real estate tools or mortgage calculators. You can also choose to make tutorial videos on how to navigate the home buying and selling process. You can also choose to cover topics like home inspection, negotiation tips, or how to stage a home for sale. Affiliate links could lead to educational resources, real estate courses, or products that aid in this process. Join affiliate programs with real estate software providers, home improvement brands, or companies offering real estate education. Platforms like Share Itself, Commission Junction, or direct partnership with real estate service providers can be lucrative. Here's an example of a channel doing well in the buying, selling home niche. Last on the list is stress management niche. In today's fast-paced world, stress management has become a billion-dollar industry, presenting unique opportunities for affiliate marketers using faceless video content. By leveraging platforms like YouTube, content creators can tap into this lucrative niche without ever showing their face. Here's how to craft this process into a successful affiliate marketing venture. Begin by identifying specific aspects of stress management that resonates with your potential audience. These could include mindfulness techniques, productivity hacks for stress reduction, yoga for stress relief, or even digital detox strategies. Each sub-niche offers opportunities to promote different products or services. Once you're done selecting a sub, head straight to YouTube, create a faceless channel, start creating contents like guided relaxation and meditation videos. In this type of videos, it's expected that you produce audio visual content, meditation or relaxation sessions. Use serene visuals or animations. Focus on the voiceover to guide listeners through stress relief techniques. Affiliate links can be directed to meditation apps, courses, or ebooks. You can also choose to create video tutorials on stress management. Create auto videos on managing stress through diet, exercise, or time management. Use screen recording or static images with voiceover to explain this method. Affiliate promotions could include health supplements, fitness, equipment, or planners. Join affiliate programs with companies offering wellness products, meditation apps like Headspace or Calm, or platforms selling stress management courses. Now, in conclusion, crafting a thriving faceless YouTube channel for affiliate marketing involves commitment, innovation, and smart strategy. But the benefits can be substantial. By adhering to the strategies laid out in this guide, you will be able to produce compelling content, position yourself as an expert in your field, and enjoy a steady revenue from affiliate marketing. All this you can achieve with Faceless Video. If you need help creating faceless videos for your affiliate product or service, that is what I personally do. I help brands and individuals create faceless videos for their products and services. I have successfully delivered over 1,000 plus jobs and would love to work with you. Check out the description below on how you can reach out to me with your next project. If you find this content interesting and you want to see more of my affiliate niche ideas, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. I will be dropping another video soon. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.